Hi guys and welcome. It's Christina Marie here with the Rachel Zoe Box of Style Winter Box. If you are new to my channel, I do beauty box unboxings, reviews, tutorials, and occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving away free beauty products, so stay tuned for that. Your odds are great. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and then if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It really means a lot, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. If you're unfamiliar with the Box of Style beauty boxes, it's a beauty box and lifestyle subscription box that Rachel Zoe curates. It's more on the expensive end. It does come out quarterly and it's $99, but there's over $400 in value inside the box. This one came out in December. The reason I'm uploading it now is because I just subscribed to it and I just got it and wanted to share it with you guys. The next box will come out in March, I believe, and I'll try and find some spoilers and post those in the video as well.
Some of your choices for this spring box are the Shamu silk scarves. Your choice between the leopard print and the floral print. They are 100% silk and are 39 inches by 39 inches. They do retail for $105. The Tribe Alive leather clutch exclusive. It retails for $78. It's genuine leather. It's 9 by 6 inches. Easily holds phone, cards case, keys, and lipstick. Jill Campbell gold talon bracelet set retails for $215. Is adjustable with gold-plated brass and white pave stone. The Edible Beauty Gold Rush Eye Balm retails for $65. Full size is 0.5 fluid ounces. It's ideal for all skin types and assists in the reducing puffiness while smoothing and regenerating the eye area. Skin Gem Rose Quartz Heart Gua Sha retails for $32. Regular use drains puffiness and toxins while contouring and smoothing fine lines. It's a natural way to lift and sculpt the face while also relieving jaw tension.
If you're interested in signing up for the Box of Style box, I do have a discount code in the description box below. You get $25 off your first order, and how it works is you get $25 off and then I get $25 for you guys signing up with it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but if you do use that link, I really appreciate it. So the first item wouldn't even fit in this box. It was too big, so it kind of came in the big cardboard box that I've already opened. And it is this gorgeous vegan leather tote. It is by Jules K, and it's exclusive to the Box of Style box. It does retail for $150. So right there, you've already made up the difference in the price of the box. And the little note from Rachel Zoe about this is that every woman needs a polished neutral purse that pairs with everything in her closet. I've selected this beautiful pale pink look vegan leather tote. You can wear it to work, for travel, or while running errands. The styling tip for this is wear it hands-free by using the long strap over your shoulder crossbody. It's a chic and carry on when you throw in your laptop and travel essentials. So here's what it looks like. I would say that it's more of a mauve color than a pale pink. I mean, I think my shirt is more of a pale pink, and you can kind of see the difference here. It's got this cute braided handle, and the inside is just one big tote. There aren't any pockets on the inside. I do wish that there were kind of some pockets in there. Here is this big shoulder strap that comes with it. And how cute is this, you guys? I am loving this.
Noticed while editing this video that the camera was automatically adjusting for the saturation. I'll try and monkey with the settings for next times so it doesn't do that.
So when you first open the box up itself, it says "Hello Gorgeous" at the top there. It's got the card right on front. I do love these boxes that they are magnetic. And so great to store any additional items that you want to store under your bed or whatever. And so let's open this guy up. Just taking the card off. So the first item that I see here is by Caudalie. It is the Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting Face, Neck, and Décolletage Oil-Free Serum. Looks like this. And what this says on here is, they call it a glow getter. It is from Rachel Zoe. She says, no look is complete without radiant skin, so everyone needs a great serum. This version brightens, smooths, and gives you a lift within glow. It does retail for $79, and it's ideal for enhancing all skin types. This award-winning anti-dark spot serum is also oil-free, non-comedogenic, and non-photosensitizing. So let's open this up. Here's what it looks like. And I'll just put a little bit on the back of my hand here. So there's what it kind of looks like. And let's rub that in. It feels really smooth. I love that it doesn't have the oils in it. There isn't really a smell, which I love. And here's what it looks like. How pretty. I can't wait to put that into my rotation. The next item is from one of my favorite brands. It is the Kitten liquid eyeliner. It does retail for $20. And what Rachel says about this, it's a sleek cat eye, amps up any ensemble. Wear with a tousled hair for rock and roll, or dial up the glamour with a matte red lip. So one of the tips that they have is the extra fine tips makes for foolproof application. Wear it alone for a classic polish, or intensify it with a metallic smoky eye. I haven't tried this eyeliner before. Have you guys tried it? It's obviously in the shade black. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried it and what you think of it. So I'm just opening it up here. It's got this cute little cat at the end. And here's what it looks like. And here's the tip. I'm just going to put that on the back of the hand. And there you go. It went on really smooth. We'll give that a minute and to let it dry just a minute and see if it smudges. We'll come back to that. The next item is also another exclusive to boxofstyle. Comes in this cute packaging. It is the Ettika Chloe Tassel necklace, and it retails for $80. Comes in this cute dust ruffle bag. Just opening that up. And then it kind of comes like this. And we'll open this guy up. Does have a 16-inch chain with a 3-inch extender. So here is what this looks like. Kind of get a close-up as those crystals on the front and then the tassel down below. I love this layered look. How pretty would that be, even just with what I'm wearing? And it is what it says, add glamour to every outfit with this delicately layered 18-karat gold plated necklace complete with crystal accents. It looks stunning with a gown as it does with jeans and a tee. And for the styling tip, it says pair with a plunging neckline for a night out. Wear on the loosest setting over a chunky sweater to add a dash of sparkle. It's super pretty. Before we get to the last item, let's take a look at that Sex Kitten liner and see if that will smudge at all. Guys, I'm pressing really hard and it's not smudging at all. Love that. The last item in the box looks like this. It is exclusive to the boxofstyle. It is the Eddy Borgo Soho watch. Here's the case that it comes in. It retails for $115. This is gorgeous. It's rose gold. You know I'm a girl who likes my rose gold. How pretty is this, you guys? And this band, oh, look at this band. It just sparkles. So what this says, an elegant watch is always in style, and the rose gold features a stunning woven metal strap. Wear it alone for a sleek statement, or layer it with bangles for a head-turning effect. And styling tip is do as Rachel does and mix rose gold with silver jewelry for a fashion-forward look. Eschew your usual bracelet for this luxe and functional piece. How pretty. I actually have some silver bracelets on right now. So let's put this on with this and kind of layer it in the middle here. How chic does this look, you guys? I am absolutely loving this. I can't wait to wear this all the time. So what did you guys think? What were your favorites in this box? Let me tally up the whole total really quick. So the total of this box was $444. For first box from Rachel Zoe, I am so impressed. I think my two favorite items are obviously the watch, love, love, love that, and the purse. I cannot wait to use this. Obviously, they're the two most expensive things in the box. As my husband says, I have kind of expensive taste. So, did you guys get the same things in your box? Let me know in the comments below. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.